From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Josh Colberth.
Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. Again, we have widespread rainfall and snowfall this morning, although snow levels are around 5,000 feet. So this is mostly rain, and snow levels are going to stay around 5,000 feet for today. We'll put this into motion with Futurecast. You can see here's that midday lull that I was talking about. This is around lunchtime. A few showers still on the map, but that's going to be pretty short-lived as we'll see the arrival of this next band of rain and snow by 5 p.m. You can see this one looks like it's mostly going to be concentrated over the Blue Mountain Range, and by the time we get to midnight, it should be mostly in Walla Walla and Umatilla County. Snow levels at this point dropping down to around 3,500 feet. Then Saturday morning, this model picking up on this little complex of rain and snow showers, and then a little bit later in the day, mainly focused up along the Cascades as snow levels will stay around 3,500 feet. And so that's why we are expecting some snow for our Cascade passes. We'll touch on that in just a second. But here's some of the water totals we're expecting over the next 48 hours. We're thinking up to an inch for the Blue Foothills and Blue Mountains, and then up to a half an inch for the Cascades, for the valleys, and for the lower Columbia Basin. Again, snow levels around 5,000 feet for today, dropping down to 3,500 feet for tomorrow. So with that being said, here's some of the snowfall totals we're expecting over the next 48 hours. We're thinking for Snoqualmie, Stevens, and Blewett passes 2 to 4 inches. For White Pass, 6 to 8 inches. Then for Cabbage Hill and the Battle Mountain Summit, less than an inch. For Tollgate off of Oregon 204, probably 1 to 2 inches. So definitely the biggest impacts will continue to be off of U.S. Highway 12. Then into Sunday, we'll have a little bit more wet weather, but not much more. Maybe up to another half an inch of water up in the Cascades, but probably less than 1/10 of an inch for the Valleys, Basin, Foothills, and even for the Blue Mountains. And in terms of additional snowfall, we're also not expecting that much more for Sunday. Then there's another storm system into Monday and Tuesday. That one not looking too impressive, and overall will trend drier into Thanksgiving Day. And also will trend cooler too. Look at these high temperatures for Thanksgiving Day. 42 degrees in the Tri-Cities. Brr. All right, here's a 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. Small shower chances linger Saturday through Tuesday. Then we're drier and much cooler by next Wednesday and Thursday. In Yakima, wet Friday, mostly dry Saturday through Monday, then dry past Tuesday as highs slip into the 30s by Thanksgiving. In Ellensburg, the same cycle as Yakima. Small shower chances Saturday through Monday, dry past Tuesday, then turning colder for the holiday. In Hermiston, small chances of wet weather linger Saturday through Tuesday, then turning drier and cooler for the middle of next week. Then in Walla Walla, more wet weather likely Saturday, especially early, mostly dry Sunday, maybe wetter Monday, then trending drier again.